Let's start cooking.
Well, we have the pleasure of living in Arizona, but for most of you, it's going to get to be the end of herb season. And what I do, well, I can let mine grow, but what you will need to do is cut your herbs down for the winter. And what I do is freeze them in little bouquet garnis, and then when I make pots of soup, I can pull them out. So I'm going to trim my herbs down for now. Like I said, mine will just start to grow back because it won't get cold here. But by you, we're going to trim these up. We're going to tie them up in kitchen string and prepare for soup making. I'm going to go around the other side now. I don't use a lot of sage in soup. I'll use it if I make turkey soup. So we're going to cut a little bit of that down, but not a ton. These are garlic chives, and them off. And the other fun thing we're going to make today is pesto. Because when you live in Arizona and it's hot and basil loves hot, you get big, beautiful basil plants. I'm going to just trim these tops off. And then I'm going to cut all of this down. And we're going to take this beautiful basil in the house and turn it into a fresh batch of pesto. We're going to wash it up really good inside. And this will be plenty to make our pesto. And we still have enough left for spaghetti.
For more information and recipes, check out www.sensorycooking.net.